This video demonstrates how to train a model for anomaly detection. Start by dragging the Anomaly Detection plugin into the program editor to open the Anomaly Detection teach-in window. In the Training tab, load pre-trained model to extract feature from your dataset. Then select the dataset that you want to train the model on. The dataset is categorized as good and bad. Always select the good images for training anomaly detection. Choose a name for your trained model. You may or may not use data augmentation to add extra data. Select the number of iterations and then choose whether you want to see reconstructions after every 10 iterations. You can also change the learning rate and batch size in the expert parameters. Once you are done, press Train and wait for the training to finish.